Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Stash Pro Coal. First, ensure you have your Stash Pro Coal, a heat source, and your hooker ready. This easy method is designed to get you enjoying your session quickly and efficiently. We'll cover everything from preparation to placement, ensuring a perfect experience every time. Get ready for a smooth and flavorful smoke with minimal effort. To begin, select one piece of Stash Pro Coal. For most standard hookah bowls, a single coal is sufficient to provide ample heat. Place this coal on a safe, heat-resistant surface, such as a single coil burner or a dedicated charcoal starter. Always make sure your area is well ventilated to ensure safety and a pleasant environment during the lighting process. Now for the easy lighting process. Hold your Stash Pro Coal with tongs and apply a direct flame from a torch lighter or a gas stove burner. Keep the flame on the coal until it begins to glow red across its entire surface. Once fully ignited and covered in a light layer of ash, it is ready for placement. This ensures even heat distribution for your session. With your coal fully lit, carefully place it on the edge of your hookah bowl using tongs. Avoid placing it directly in the center initially. To maintain consistent heat and prevent burning, rotate the coal every 10 to 15 minutes. When the coal reduces to about 1/4 of its original size, it's time to replace it for continued enjoyment. Happy smoking!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.